name is James Stokes, co-founder and CEO of ON-3 LLC. We are talent management specialists who focus in providing executive search, staffing, outsourcing, and innovative knowledge capture and training. Our recruiting approach is a candidate-centric approach. We believe you as a candidate are our client as well, and we want to ensure you're happy with your job and your compensation in order to fulfill the client's needs. We like to call it a win-win-win scenario. We operate our recruiting services with a candidate-centric agenda. We believe you are our client as well. We want to make sure you're happy with your job, your compensation, and what you're doing. We believe in self-actualization, understanding who you are. We support Myers-Briggs, DISCs, any type of assessment tool. When you read it and you feel that that is you, we have practice interview questions. We use it to help build your resume. And also, it really is truly who you are and your strengths. We do offer resume formatting as well. We're not a one-page believer. We believe the resume is a key to unlock the door in order for you to go in there and dazzle them with your brilliance. So the resume needs to tell your story and give them enough information to want to pick up the phone and give you a call. We do believe in over communication. We will communicate with you whether it's negative or positive. We are all for communication. We would like to assist you throughout your career. Contact us today to see if we can be of service. Have a great day.